Hello and welcome to my channel. In this first segment, I am making fresh butter. Listen closely, you can hear the buttermilk just splashing. And this buttermilk I always save. And now it's time for a quick rinse and then squeeze, and it's ready to go. And this whole process takes me, I would say, 20-25 minutes, and I'll have fresh butter until it's all gone and it's time to make some more. I often place fresh butter in French butter crocks, which require a little bit of water. I normally, in the wintertime, I can store the butter on the counter while changing the water every couple of days. But in the summertime, I keep the fresh butter in the refrigerator. And now I am putting the buttermilk into a jar, which I'll put in the refrigerator to use up in the next few days. Emmer-weed, also known to some as spelt, is mentioned in the Old Testament in a few places, and I love to grow this, grind this, and make wonderful porridge treats, flour with it, as you'll see in the upcoming segment. And here you see I'm using a stone grinder. It's obviously a smaller version than what was used back in biblical times. I often use this to grind corn, but it works just as well to grind wheat too. Now I'm making some Emmer-Maple Muffins. I've placed this recipe on my growing website. I have a lot of work to do on this website, but I'll have it on the home page if you are interested in making these muffins. Tiny currants. I really wanted to have breakfast outside today, but my neighbor's poplar cottonwood tree is shedding and it looks like fluffy snow everywhere. And I really didn't want to have those fly into my tea or on my muffin, so I opted to eat inside. Poplar seed shedding process usually takes about 3 weeks, so got probably another couple of weeks to just endure not having my meals on the patio, but that's quite all right. Some delicious Trader Joe's vegan breakfast sausages. And this is probably the last of my planting seeds for the summer season, but at least that's what I'm telling myself anyway. On this book, the editors, Reformation Heritage Books, wrote, on the surface, it seems unnecessary to instruct someone to be content in times of prosperity. However, times of prosperity and abundance provide some of the strongest temptations to pull our hearts away from God. And they continued by saying that Jeremiah Burroughs was keenly aware that the riches of this world compete for our affections and challenges our contentment in Christ. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.